Now here it starts, now here it end. What's up, people? How you doing? Kilo Shele. Yes, now your girl again, Chica. And we don't carry waka again, enter straight. Because now Showbiz Weekly, now it is. As always, we they bring you the best of entertainment. All the VIP red carpet events. We they bring you closer to all the favorite moments and your ogbonge celebrities. How now this beautiful day? All right, my weekend, fantastic, but too much waka waka. Oh, I don't turn waka waka on top the matter, but that for una sake because I they bring you all the juicy moments, all the places where they hot for inside Lagos. Right about now, I dey inside Federal Palace. I dey lounge like a boss. Yes, because the Lagos Motor Fair now they happen right about now. But we gonna bring you exclusive passes for beautiful events will happen over the week. Now, first things first, the International Lagos Jazz Festival. All the who be who for inside the jazz industry. When they do jazz music, they show face on top of the matter. Whether na Afro jazz or Naija hip hop or Naija akala, ekpala. Different kind of jazz music nice showcase for inside the Lagos International Jazz Festival. Enough of talk, make you see by yourself.
Mo ti sọ pé fàájì tẹ́lẹ̀ la wà.
2015 Lagos Jazz Festival, and there we did, and I did one of the veterans and one of the Oga from inside music for South Nigeria and even for the world. In name now Mr. T-Mac or Moshola or Marcelli. I get my Baba.
No, T-Mac or Moshola easily. If you listen to jazz, you go hear the best performing. Because you go fake come on CDs, you go mime, that's not music. But when you come to a jazz or classical concert and you hear the musician playing, there you go church if they are good or not.
The jazz is expression. So you play, and if you know your instrument, you play what you hear, and that's music.
Jazz music can survive if really they can put the music, play the music well, and learn the rhythm of music before you can really play jazz music.
Nigeria music industry is very lively. You go get good musician, bad musician, good lyrics, bad lyrics. You the listener, you go church if it's good music or not.
If you know jazz music and not do music, no.
You know, they don't let you start playing jazz straight away. So when I started playing saxophone, I was just learning my scales and practicing with the teacher. But I always used to listen to the older students who are playing jazz. And you always say, that's so cool, man. I want to play that, you know.
The jazz music is all my life. Because today is 24 years I'm work to jazz music. Yeah, the jazz music is all my life, all my life.
Welcome back. In case you just joining, you don't miss more, but no worry because plenty more there for you. This now Wazobia TV, and you watch Showbiz Weekly. Yes, if you follow us on top Twitter at Wazobia Showbiz. Now then, talk to be a man. It's not a day's job, but I go tell you categorically. To be a Nigerian woman, not be moi. And now on top of this matter, now in the stage performers them, where they do serene walk on top stage, then carry them enter the streets. On top here word. Yes, here word. Now the second season be this, where they climb on top stage. They discuss the issues where they affect Nigerian women. All the challenges where they face for inside this our society. all our success stories, our fears, everything wey concern Nigerian women, now you go see, but then discuss them on top here. What beautiful, fantabulous, ogbonge, mischievous actors. Now show Joke Silva dey inside, Ireti Olado is dey inside, Ketensha self dey inside, even La self dey inside. Man, no talk too much. I will carry una go Muson Center. Make you go see for yourself. Hear what.
Okay, if you look where I go say, for amongst women them, I don't say anybody with amongst women, they're very, very blessed. So me, I did very, very blessed. So this place here, we say the hospitality room for inside Muson Center. What we just want for stay there now, the show where they call yes, now here what now just watch for on top the stage there. And for here, I go to talk to everybody, say they act for inside the level for upstairs there. And I get, yes, first of all, make I follow Bimbo Akintola talk. Make I ask her how the whole thing be. Good evening one more time. How you doing?
Salute, sir. Salute. How about you? Here word now say we pack different small short stories wey concern us. You know, people they believe say it concern only women. Not be only women they concern. It concern everybody.
TUC.
They don't all hear what to campaign. No wahala. Oh, join. I beg. Kate Henshaw. Good evening one more time. I beg. Tell us what in here would be to you personally.
Here waiting all the women they talk for Naija. We dey talk say they suffer too much. We talk say we get plenty power inside our body. We will go take do transformation for this country. Wanna give us chance. If una no give us chance, we go push una comot.
Carry waiting we tell una. Practice am, abeg, so that our work will not be in vain.
Make everybody follow wetin dey real. Make everybody listen to wetin dey true. Make everybody adjust to wetin dey happen now.
So make we dey listen to our children. All the things where they go through for their daily lives. Maybe they pay attention to our children.
If you dey there, you look your fellow woman do am like this, God go do you like that. And you will be man. Hear everything wey they tell you. Not think say because you get power pass us, mean say you strong pass the person who creates me and you.
Where we dey tell women say, you not be small person. You get the power.
Hear what means say, we get the power for our hand. And don't let anybody put you down, because now you get the power, you dey in charge, you feel controller. Don't let people they push you out because you be gay, because you be woman.
There be some tradition where we get and where we for don left and tay. All this one where we they just they carry, they use tradition, make we they do our women anyhow. The time don't pass.
Now still here was 20 now day, and I did for inside the hospitality room with all the ladies that enter on stage go at this drama this evening. And as I tell you, I they highly blessed amongst women. I know be Jesus my brother, but the level for here no be small thing. I dey flex, I dey enjoy myself. I don't say I dey women. I know say women now sweating. Oh wicked, I'm very sweating. Yes, I dey one of our biggest mommy for here, and she go follow us yarn onto the here one level.
A man who rapes a woman is worse than a mad person. It certainly is not a man. If you want to prove that you are a man, what you fit do is go to the babe and say, well, babe, I like you.
I hungry reach, send me my pikin go do prostitution. Even instead me go do prostitution, use the money feed my pikin. I not fit send my pikin go do prostitute. It not dey possible. So any mama where they do that one now wish. High wish. For them, you know what they call faraki. Now she be.
For us, basically, as much as we would like to talk to men, I know say true inside man mind, they know where woman supposed to. So I not go even talk to men. I want to talk to women. Women when no their safe. Worry people say know yourself not because.
Now if they make you sabi yourself, no be saying a bad thing. So this one, if I want to live like me, I go Kawa. Now see Wazobia TV be this one. And I Showbiz Weekly they watch. My name na Kabuchi. No change that TV channel.
We still there inside the Lagos Motor Fair for Federal Palace, but not get them twisted. This na Showbiz Weekly. Yes, we carry the groove, enter streets, enter outside, make the people for here, make them feel our irony. All right, don't forget if you to pursue us on top Twitter, Wazobia Showbiz. Now there we there on top of Twitter, and we go follow you bumper to bumper. Hope so you enjoy that one about here word. When you see veteran actors, you don't need to be told, because I say old wine now you get taste part. All right, finally the most anticipated event, possibly of the year, the First Lady of Fugees, and award-winning, Grammy award-winning artist, Lauryn Hill. She will showface for Inside Nigeria for the May Day concert. All right, you my better country people. Anytime when you see me dress spectacular and I turn up like this, you know, say now only one thing now if it be, I am ready to groove and gyrate to the very end. Yes, so this now Wazobia TV. My name now Chika, and we dey live for Inside the Eco Hotel and Suite. Now I know say plenty of you don't they expect. Your mouth done the saliva, the water for the goodness we're supposed to go down here tonight, because one of the finest Grammy award-winning musicians, them where they do song go like tomorrow, not the Lauryn Hill, she's supposed to show for Inside the Building tonight on top May Day Live. But sadly, due to some logistic issues, she not fit make am. But no worry, make your spirit not dampen and make you not dey sad, because trust me, plenty Nigerian music artists done there in the house to groove you, to sound you waiting you need. In the meantime, we go begin waka, make we begin talk to some kind people them about, you know, everything we're supposed to go down here tonight. Now come out your eyes, yo, because you are in for the time of your life. Feel it?
You know, and we kind of let down, but we believe, say, with all our Banky, Yemi Alade, and all the crew, they'll bring it down the house.
So I'm looking forward to their performances as well. So I'm not totally, you know, heartbroken, just a little bit.
Yeah, I'm expecting them to really bring it up. I deal with one of Nigeria's finest. If you don't know this man, you are a learner. You just came to Lagos just yesterday. Because this man, then they serenade on top of radio. They delight your mornings. They give you better jump start and kick start in the morning. Listen, Shensman, help me to welcome money in the building.
Well, I feel like Nigerian people are different when it comes to music.
I'm not happy, you know, because as Lauryn Hill, big rich. You understand? And as we say, the talk say we big rich. Why we don't fit calculate tickets? Why we don't fit calculate? No, which kind of logistic issue?
But that one now for sure now. That's what they do since now. The Lauryn Hill now just bonus.
If I don't see Lauryn Hill this night, or you tell me when she go come, they hold my ticket. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they hold on.
We nothing they power with they hold on down.
So like I for one came out here for Lauryn Hill, but I hope. But because it's like every day we get to see a Banky, we get to see Yemi Alade, we get to see a Flavor. We never get to see Lauryn Hill, come on. But I hope that a lot of people will still turn up for the events today.
Our style of music is different, you know, and the fact is, you know, say, as we be Africans, you know, nobody dance reach us. You know, so when they use our dance, they shunch them. You understand? Now what do they use, they catch them.
She said, when you're leaving, I'm leaving you. 2 weeks later, I enter club. She don't do hair, popo, put dots here, chain, pack, blush, everywhere, do contour for nose long. MJ, female version. I see him say, yo, baby, what's up? Say, your eye clear now, Abby. I don't understand.
With money and a what? And a shiny car. Ooh, hey. I could travel across the world in a limousine. Yeah.
You're my good man.
our very own Niger music artists and comedians will show face and showcase on top the one way concert, Mayday concert. We don't bring you all the events we happen this weekend, and time don't reach for us to carry our kaya they run. But not forget, not worry, I dey always go around. They waka like waka dugbe to bring you all the hottest, all the sensations events where they happen right here for inside Lagos. If events day, you know say I go there live to bring them to you as they hot. All right, we go be again next week, but until then, not find trouble and stay entertained with Showbiz Weekly. I'm Ada here.